Hi, Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, we've got some lovely sunshine, so I'm outside in the yard doing some spring cleanup. Well, Easter is over, so I'm going to take most of the stuff out of my basket. There it is. Just left the greenery in. I think it looks nice. So it'll stay like that for a while. We'll see how it goes. And I've got this flower bed raked out. And it's still kind of frozen around the tree trunk over here. But we'll get that raked. We'll get this raked up too. Just gonna let it thaw out a bit more. And got some plans for this yard. Yes. We're going to take down the gazebo. And I'm hoping to get rid of these beds on the off the porch and give a little more room so we can put a shed in there somehow. So we need a shed outside. So I'm going to continue cleaning up the yard. Got some sticks to pick up here and some raking to do. So it shouldn't be too bad. And I have a rose bush in here that I'm going to move to the garden at the end of the bed, or at the end of the yard. And I know I have some hostas in here. So when they show their face, I will put them at the end. Just put them down at the end of the yard in the flower bed down there. Not going to do too much because we're not here during the summer. But the yard's looking better. So I'm going to get back to work. Another spot that needs some tidying is I just put my trees from the Christmas decorations under the steps. So now I'm going to take the stuff off of them and put it away. Tidy this little corner up too. Okay, we got it all cleaned out, tidied up. Looks better. And we have a few things over here that can go away. That can go be put away under the deck. That should be good. Okay, I think I'm tired, so I'm gonna take a break. Okay, we've got the garden all cleaned out and I moved all these things and just put them in the garden. Just for now, not sure what else I'm gonna do. No buds on the trees yet, it's too cold. But the yard is cleaned up. Most of the gazebo down. The rest will come down soon. And that corner's all nice and clean, and the deck. So that's the backyard tidied up. Getting ready for spring. Got those things put away. Now we'll go back in the house and I'll show you I put my decorations away for Easter. Well, I put the decorations off the fridge away. And I put all the Easter stuff off the table and I've just got those sitting there trying to figure out what I'm going to do. to decorate the table for the summer and the spring. And my little tray is not decorated. Took all the Easter stuff off, and it's good. We'll put some stuff on there that'll do for the summer until we come back in from the trailer. And the decorations in the living room, of course, put away too. I left the bow tie on my rabbit. I thought he looked cute. And I left the birdie in the back of that rabbit. And other than that, not much has changed in the living room because we didn't do a lot of decorations. I left that bunny there because I like that bunny there. And I left those birds over there. So they're pretty, they can just stay there for the summer. Anyhow, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. It's a shorty, but it's what I've been doing lately, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers who keep watching, and I'd like to welcome any new subscribers to our family. And this family mixes in with other families, so it's lots of fun. And thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you're new. Thanks so much. Bye.